need to repair this shark toy. As you can see, the end broke off here, so the trigger doesn't work. I know that gluing plastic together just doesn't work, so I'm going to drill a hole in this corner and put some coat hanger wire through it. Well, it's not as simple as it looks. If I drill into this corner, there won't be enough material left to actually hold the wire. I'm going to have to come up with another plan. Right, so I've got a piece of the coat hanger wire. I've been using this to bend it this far, but I've got to be able to bend it 180 degrees, so I'll be doing something extra. Moved it out a bit in the jaws, so grabbing it there, bending, another bend this way, and roll it. You just keep bending until it, now you can start compressing a bit, but I'm going to leave it at this 45 angle for the moment. You'd finish it by doing this. So in the final position, the bend has to line up with that hole, with that open all the way. So I'll mark that position and I'll get it set in the vice grips. I need to bend it right about there. Just grab this end, start bending it a bit further out. There we go. It does bend fairly readily with the right tools, I guess. You're doing a trial fit. Looks like I actually need to make this bend a bit closer, so make this straight length a bit shorter. Alright, let's see how this bit fits. Yeah, it looks close enough to be about the right length. I've got it hooked in at this end. Okay, I'll be trimming it. I think these shears should work. Just have to go find it. Yep, there it is. Didn't go too far. So there it is in position. All I've got to do now is flatten down these ends, which I should be able to do. Yeah, the vice grips seem to be the easiest to use. Got the extra leverage you need. Okay, that will probably work. Let's take the tape off. Jaws open. Mechanisms there. Yeah, bitey. It's plastic. I don't know how long that's going to last, but it's done.